Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurin Nabila binti Namin. So here I am going to present or explain about the past year question March 2017. So I am going to explain about for the question 1 and the question 2. So let's take a look at the question 1. So state the type of the following variables. So A, qualifications of candidates for a particular job. B, number of UiTM graduates. C, computer brands exhibited at a computer fair. D, age of the workers in a plastic manufacturing company. So the last one is temperature of a room. So that's the answer. So for A, the answer of the question A is qualitative. So this is because qualifications cannot be the number one or we cannot be calculate. So for B, the answer is quantitative because this is the number. The number we can calculate. So for C, computer brands exhibited at a computer fair. The answer is qualitative. D, age of the workers in a plastic manufacturing company. The answer is quantitative because age is a number that we can calculate. So the last one, temperature of a room. This is the answer is quantitative. So let's take a look at question 2A. So the following tables shows the information regarding the customer satisfaction towards services provided by a bank counter at FN Bank in a month. Draw a component bar chart to present the data. So the answer is, okay, we take a look at the bar chart. So you have this bar chart. In orange bar chart is a Malay people. So the Chinese one is the yellow and the Indian one is the green one. So you have to refer for the question. So you must input the overall satisfaction towards facilities provided. So you see that we have not satisfied and also satisfied. Okay, for the rest, we have Malay, Chinese, and Indian. At the left side, you have to see this table. You have to refer this table to do this bar chart. So next to the question 2B. So the following frequency distribution shows the age of takaful insurance agents at a particular agency in Melaka. Calculate the mean and standard deviation. So in this question, you have to do this table first because too easy. You refer to calculate the mean and standard deviation. So for the F, you have to refer the table. So F is the number of agents. Okay, so for X is the average for age. For example, you have to calculate like 20 plus 25 divided by 2. And so this is the answer, 22.5. So for x power of 2, you have to calculate 22.5 power of 2. Then you have got this answer, 506.25. So for fx, you have to multiply f and also x and you have got this answer. So CF is okay. So for this, you have see that the first column is 3, right? Okay, then you have to additional for 3 add by 2 for, so for the second column you have to input 5 because 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, and then and so on. Okay, okay, so for f x power of 2, you have to f and also x power of 2, you have to multiply it. So you've got this answer. Okay, so the question wants to ask the mean and also standard deviation. So this is the answer. So for the mean, fx divided by f is the formula. So we can refer to the table we have to before this. So the formula is fx divided by f. So fx is this. We'll have to sum up this column, fx column, and then we have divide by f. You have to sum up the f column. Okay, so the fx is 1900 divided by 50, the f total of f. So this is the answer, 38. Okay. So for standard deviation, okay, so this standard deviation have two formula, but I'm gonna use this formula. So you have to sum up fx power of 2. Okay, so the last column you have to sum up it. Okay, so you have to sum up the fx in bracket, fx. You have to sum up fx column, and in bracket power of 2, and you have to divide by f. So we have 50. Okay, so the last one, you have to divide by f and also subtract with 1. Okay, so f is 50, subtract with 1. Okay, the answer is 49. So you have to calculate this, and you got this answer for 9907.78. And the last one, you have to square root it. So so that you have got the answer, the final answer. So this is the final answer, 223.4005. Okay, so I think that's all from me.